This tutorial guides you through manually synchronizing your Pearson MyLab grades with D2L, Brightspace. Access the instructor self-service portal within your Brightspace environment to begin the grade synchronization process. This link is usually found in the Instructor Resources module. This screen will open in a new window. Select the Manage Grade Sync option to view and configure synchronization parameters. Check the top button to select all of the assignments, or check the individual boxes for the assignments you want to sync to D2L. If you've checked the top box to select all, uncheck the ones you don't want to sync, like practice problems. Click the Save Changes button. Click the Refresh Grade Columns button. This is what forces the grade sync to D2L. Go back to your D2L gradebook. The grades usually start syncing in a couple of minutes, but sometimes can take a couple of hours. You have successfully synchronized your Pearson MyLab grades with D2L by linking specific assignments and refreshing grade data. Verify synchronization by reviewing the Progress section in Brightspace to ensure all grades appear correctly.
Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching, and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.